Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to prepare this delicious salmon recipe with a spinach sauce, and it's a very creamy spinach sauce. Delicious my friends. The good thing with this recipe is that you can serve this with pasta if you like. In my case I'm going to be serving this with penne pasta. You can actually serve this with rice or a side salad, whatever you fancy, my friends. I always say that. So come with me and let me show you guys how to prepare this delicious salmon recipe with this delicious creamy spinach sauce. We have some onions and I have some tomatoes here as well. The tomatoes I'm gonna be adding these at the end. Of course, I have lots of garlic and we got the spinach, and I'm actually using frozen spinach. I also have here some lemon zest, and I have a whole lime, which is going to be part of this recipe as well. And yes, I have lots of Parmesan cheese for that creaminess on that sauce, black pepper, and some sazón. I want to give this a little coloring, and some salt. I have some heavy cream as well. And yes, I'm going to be using the penne pasta. And of course, I'm gonna have some wine while I prepare this delicious recipe, my friends. I have the salmon here, and the salmon is already seasoned, a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little garlic actually as well, and I put some lemon zest. I'm gonna be using some oil because of course I am gonna be sauteing my vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and put the salmon in the oven at 350 degrees for a good 15 to 20 minutes. I want to make sure my pan is really hot. Now, not too hot to burn my onions or garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and just follow me, my friends. And I'm gonna be adding all these ingredients and preparing this delicious, creamy, garlicish spinach sauce. Now, my friends, the sazon, which gives the sauce a pretty color, that is optional. You don't have to do that. I like it. I think it looks pretty, and I actually like the taste of sazon. Now, look how pretty and creamy this looks. You have to be very patient because it takes a little bit. I want to say it probably takes a good 6-7 minutes to get this sauce going and get this nice thickness and creaminess. As you all know, my friends, season to taste. I'm gonna be adding the zest. This is gonna really give this creamy spinach sauce such a nice and a zesty taste. And now look how beautiful this spinach sauce is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of my pasta water. Now this is what you want. It is perfect and delicious. And if I tell you guys, the flavors, it's just so delicious. Now the tomatoes, guy, I like to actually add this at the end because I don't want to cook my tomatoes. I want to feel that crunchiness of the tomatoes. They're not gonna be too crunchy, but they're not going to be overcooked. And this is ready. Now you tell me if this was not easy. Now let me show you guys how beautiful this actually came out. And yes, my videos are pre-recorded. So yes, this dish was delicious. Now look how pretty this looks. You want to impress your friends, family, a significant other? This is it. This is it. My friends, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, my friends, bye-bye.